determination of moisture content by Lawson drying method. For this method, we just have in the requirements a hot air oven, a crude jug, and a china dish, and a tong for the heating mantle. And this is the requirement for this practical. Let's start the practical. Okay. So for this practical, we just have one china dish, that is empty porcelain china dish. We just have to weigh the weight of this china dish. So we will put this china dish on the weighing balance machine. So just read down the weight of the porcelain, that is, you can see this is the weight of empty porcelain china dish, that is 60.21, right? So 60.21 gram is the weight of empty china dish. So we should note down the weight of the empty china dish, that is 60.21 gram, that is the weight of empty china dish. Now weigh the crude jug, that is having, you can see the weight of crude jug is 0.5 gram. Note down the weight of the jug taken, crude jug weight, that is 0.50 gram, that is the weight of crude jug. Now weigh down the porcelain china dish weight and the crude jug weight with each other. So you can see when we add our crude jug in the empty porcelain china dish, you can see the weight that becomes 60.26 gram. So we should note the reading of the porcelain and jug taken. Now you can see the weight of empty china dish and jug taken, that is before drying. So the weight of this weight of empty china dish and jug before drying is 60.26 gram. Oven, you can see we should set the readings temperature of this hot air oven to 105 degrees Celsius. So this is our temperature reading. After setting the temperature reading, put the china dish into the hot air oven and close the chamber. We can take our china dish and we can note the temperature reading after taking the sample from this china dish. So carefully take this china dish because this is very hot. So you can see these are the reading after drying of our sample. So we should note these readings. That is 60.25 gram, that is after the drying, right? So this is the reading, that is before drying and after drying, right? So we should now calculate the moisture content. So for the moisture content, we should subtract the reading, that is before and after drying, right, our sample. So you can take our readings like 60.26 gram minus 60.25 gram. So this is our moisture content. Now this reading that becomes 0.002 gram. Now this is our moisture content reading. For the calculation of percentage moisture content, if 0.5 gram of crude jug that contains 0.002 gram of moisture, then 100 gram of crude jug that contains 0.5 divided by 0.002 gram into 100. So this calculation that is having our moisture percentage moisture content. So this is all about the practical moisture content on Lawson drying. Thank you.